Most people in the world use either Windows, macOS, or some kind of Linux distro. However, there exist really strange knockoffs of these popular desktop operating systems. The first one is a Windows knockoff called ReactOS. This one is basically a reverse-engineered Windows clone which can also run Windows programs. I don't see anything. And here we actually also have very similar programs. We have command prompt. God, okay, this file explorer looks kind of like Windows 10 file explorer. This one is literally the same as all the Windows versions. And as far as I understand, ReactOS has been in development for like 30 years or something. We have our own Notepad, Paint, WordPad. This one looks exactly like Microsoft Paint. Wine mine. It's Minesweeper, but with wine. Oh yeah, and when it comes to running Windows programs, we also have our own applications manager. And there's just a bunch of categories for applications. We can see we have Audacity, Foobar, Winamp. Oh, we can get Blender, except it's a super old version. I believe this is the Windows version of WinRAR running on ReactOS. Oh, and look what I just found. Okay, Themes. It seems like I can also get Luna theme for Windows XP. Is that real? It's only 1 megabyte. Appearance. Visual style. Still Windows XP. Why is it in Russian? Oh, and look at that, we have Windows XP. Bliss? Yes, Bliss wallpaper. I just made it look like Windows XP, okay? What the hell? And even all the windows are Windows XP now. But now what I want to check out is running Windows programs on ReactOS. And this operating system can actually do something completely unbelievable. I can just yoink some Windows XP program out of Windows XP and run it on ReactOS. And there it is, CMD.exe. So let me just grab this one and let's add it to the desktop. Let's close that one and let's just run this one. Oh, and look at that. Microsoft Windows XP version 5.2 whatever. We can see even the icons are completely different. I think that's the original Windows XP icon. And this is the ReactOS icon. And we can even open these ones side by side. We can see on this command prompt it says ReactOS, while on this one it says Microsoft Windows XP. But now we have to check out a macOS clone. And this operating system is called Hello System. This is how it looks like, and it's very similar to old macOS versions. Except we have to fix the screen resolution. We have to go to Applications, Preferences, Screen Settings. They appear in this little window, Screen Layout Editor. The hell does that even mean? What I have to do is right click on here, then I have to go to Resolution, and from here we can set the resolution, 1440p maybe. And right off the bat, everything does look really similar to macOS. Even the contextual menu has some similarities. Create new folder. Okay. When I create new items on the desktop, they appear right here. There's even like that little animation on the cursor when something opens, that rainbow loading circle, basically. How do I even open stuff? Overview. What is that one? Zoom in. Also, it's like magnifier or something. Falcon. I think this is like a web browser. Let's see, can I Google something? And we even have AI. And where do we even have other programs? I don't know. And why is there no Doc, Blender, GIMP, Inkscape, Krita, all the open source applications we have? This is how you access applications. They are all located in a folder like this. So this one is seemingly kinda empty, I don't know. But finally we have to check out a Linux knockoff. And what the hell even is a Linux knockoff? I just thought what could I include for this one, and I picked some really random meme Linux distro. And this is how the logo looks like. Ubuntu, and it's a dog, okay? Let's see, open in terminal, what is this? Ubuntu 22.1, desktop environment budgie, shellfish, terminal kitty, wallpaper dog. Why is there Discord pre-installed on an anime Linux distro? Oh, I think the joke is that this is a Discord moderator's Linux distro. Install software, budgie extras. Oh my god, and there's Ubuntu merch. But what makes this operating system so special? I want to find out. Are there any desktop backgrounds? Change desktop background. Okay, so there's also this one, like a really basic one. Then we have one with a cat. Look at his face. And then there's also this one, Windows XP and a bunch of dogs. I think we need some answers. Let me check out their website, Ubuntu. And why is there ads everywhere? Is it ADHD or high IQ? No, you're just retarded. I just checked out their website and it doesn't really say anything. There's nothing really to this operating system. It's just that it's called Ubuntu and it has a few wallpapers. The only thing that's missing is Reddit. Yeah, you can just access that one from Firefox. If you enjoyed this video, then you might also like previous parts of this same concept, and I'll see you there.